So you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Pittsburgh, PA? In this video, we're going to show you all around Highland Village in the Union Township and Finleyville area just outside of Pittsburgh, PA. We'll take you through the neighborhood and show you different price points so you can see what may fit with your budget. I'm Krista Lorenzo, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making a move in Pittsburgh, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're buying, selling, or building in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. And if you stick around to the end, we'll take you inside 2 models for a private tour, and you definitely don't want to miss that. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living, eating, drinking, and playing in Pittsburgh, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Pittsburgh. Scarmazzi luxury patio homes at Highland Village are perfect for you if you're looking for a lifestyle that offers more leisure and less work. Starting from the upper 300s, Highland Village brings a new standard of convenient, low-maintenance living to the Union Township, Finleyville area. Located just off Route 88, you can enjoy charming country feel with close proximity to Trax Farms while being only minutes from McMurray, Venetia, Bethel Park, and Jefferson Hills. Highland Village is rich in amenities featuring a multitude of community recreational facilities, including an expansive multi-use clubhouse and outdoor pool. And if you enjoy outdoor recreation, it is a great location with easy access to South Park and Mingo Creek. Both offer tons of outdoor activities like a dog park, walking trails, playground, equestrian areas, and so much more. You can check out my tour of South Park and Nottingham for more on both of those parks. And our favorite family rec spot nearby is Club 1781 Golf Course. It's a beautiful but very hilly course with a stunning clubhouse, restaurants, a beautiful speakeasy with a golf simulator bay, and much more. You can check that out on my tour of Union Township and Finleyville. As with all Scarmazzi home communities, you'll enjoy luxury craftsmanship with versatile and spacious living areas and luxury features throughout, including private courtyards. Low maintenance living means you can enjoy the benefit of owning your own home without the perpetual stresses of exterior maintenance. Homeowner services include grass cutting, seasonal mulching, and snow removal, so you're free to travel with no worries or just stay home and relax. It's a great location for the South Hills. We're close to Trax Farm Market, all the shops at the Galleria in South Hills Village, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Target, Market District, and even a Giant Eagle just down the street in Finleyville. Trax Farm is a family favorite for the area. It's one of the oldest and most awarded fruit and vegetable farms in Pittsburgh and the South Hills. For over 150 years, they have been a staple to the area. More than just a farm market, it's a destination, especially for spring Easter egg hunts and their amazing fall festival. We've been taking the kids there since they were babies, and even though they're adults now, they still love going. There are also several great restaurants in the area like V&B Scratch Kitchen and one of our favorites, Latitude 48. Super cozy, high-end restaurant with great cocktails and unique options that change with the seasonal menus. And if you like to have a few drinks with live music, Giant Oaks Winery is just down the street and they offer indoor and outdoor seating, live entertainment, event space, wine, moonshine, adult slushies, and a great little tapas menu. The spinach artichoke dip is my mom's favorite, but we love the hummus and the charcuterie. Lou and Linda are the owners, and we have watched him grow his love of making wine from being a hobby into a beautiful space. Here at Highland Village, each home comes with a standard 9-foot ceiling throughout the main floor, Aristocraft kitchen cabinets, granite kitchen countertops, Miami white quartz bathroom countertops with raised height vanities, Mohawk flooring, and an exterior courtyard with a concrete patio and courtyard fence. So what does the building process look like? We work one-on-one together to design your perfect home. We'll check out the models together and work with my girl Robin, who will be your new home sales consultant. After finding the perfect model for you, we will schedule a design appointment at Scarmazzi Homes Design Center. A design consultant will closely work with you to tailor the details and features of your home to fit your lifestyle and your budget. The Design Center has a variety of selections available to touch, see, and experience, including cabinetry, tile, countertops, plumbing fixtures, and flooring samples. And your expert design consultant will assist you every step of the way. This beautiful model features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,800 square feet of living space. Complete with a cozy little den that you can use as an office. A dual-sided fireplace. Plenty of room for relaxing, entertaining, and making delicious gourmet meals in this beautiful kitchen. The guest space is separate from the living space. Have laundry on the main level, a guest bedroom, and guest bathroom. Then on the other side, let's check out your gorgeous master suite. Walk-in closet and stunning bathroom. There we caught a glimpse of that amazing patio. We also have a 2-car garage with tons of extra space. This gorgeous model features 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and 1,900 square feet. Very open concept. Your own little private patio. Great extra sitting room with those tray ceilings. Den or office space. And a gorgeous master bedroom. Tray ceilings. Look at this floor. Walk-in closet. Through the main space over here, we have an amazing pantry. So much awesome space in there. Here's that half bath. We have the 2-car garage, plenty of space for vehicles and extra storage, and then down to the laundry room. Coming from the laundry room, we go to the other side, and that's where you have your guest room. Oh, look at this kitchen. Just beautiful. Fireplace. And this is the guest room. Nice guest closet and beautiful bath. And like I said, whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh.